Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a common problem that many AirPods users face: poor sound quality and static noise. If you have experienced this issue with your AirPods, don't worry. I'm going to show you some easy steps to fix it. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So, what causes poor sound quality and static noise in AirPods? Well, there are several possible reasons, such as software issues, poor Bluetooth connectivity, physical blockage, or faulty hardware. Let's go through each of them and see how we can solve them. The first and most common cause of sound issues with AirPods is software. Sometimes your AirPods or your connected device may not have the latest software or firmware updates, which can affect the audio performance. To fix this, you need to make sure that both your AirPods and your device are updated to the latest version. To check if your iOS device is updated, go to Settings, General Software Update, and see if there are any updates available. To check if your AirPods are updated, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap on the info icon next to your AirPods. You should see the firmware version under your AirPods name. If it is not the latest version, you can try resetting your AirPods by putting them in the case, closing the lid, and holding the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. Then, reconnect your AirPods to your device and see if the sound quality improves. The second cause of sound issues with AirPods is poor Bluetooth connectivity. Sometimes, the connection between your AirPods and your device may be weak or unstable, which can result in crackling or static sounds. To fix this, you can try the following steps. Turn off Bluetooth on your device, and then turn it back on. Forget your AirPods from your device and then pair them again. Make sure your device and your AirPods are close to each other, and there are no obstructions or interferences between them. Make sure there are no other Bluetooth devices nearby that may be trying to connect to your device or your AirPods. If you are using your AirPods with a Windows device, make sure you switch to the headphone mode and disable the headset mode, which has lower audio quality. You can do this by going to the sound settings and choosing your AirPods as the default playback device and disabling the hands-free device. The third cause of sound issues with AirPods is physical blockage. Sometimes, your AirPods may have dirt, dust, wax, or debris stuck in the speaker grills, the microphones, or the vent holes, which can affect the sound quality and cause static noise. To fix this, you need to clean your AirPods carefully and gently, using the following tools: a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to wipe the exterior of your AirPods and the case, a soft bristled brush to gently remove any dirt or dust from the speaker grills and the microphones, a safety pin or a toothpick to carefully scrape out any wax or debris from the speaker grills and the microphones. Be careful not to damage the mesh or the metal parts. A cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to gently clean the vent holes on the sides of your AirPods. Be careful not to get any liquid inside your AirPods or the case. After cleaning your AirPods, let them dry completely before using them again. The fourth and last cause of sound issues with AirPods is faulty hardware. Sometimes, your AirPods may have a defect or a damage that affects the sound quality and causes static noise. This can happen due to normal wear and tear, accidental drops, water damage, or exposure to extreme temperatures. To fix this, you need to contact Apple support and see if your AirPods are eligible for a repair or a replacement under the warranty or the service program. You can also try using a different pair of AirPods with your device and see if the problem persists. So, these are some of the possible causes and solutions for poor sound quality and static noise in AirPods. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.